In this unit 2 we are going to study about matrices. Singular, when we use for only one we have to use the term matrix. When we use for many matrix then we use the term matrices. For example, this is matrix, but when we speak about this all, these three are matrices. A matrix is an arrangement, or we can say collection of numbers, letters, names or any objects in horizontal line. This from east to west is a horizontal line, and vertical line means up and down is a vertical line inside the small or big brackets. Small means this type of bracket and big means this type of bracket. In any of these two brackets we can write the matrices. These horizontal lines are called rows and these vertical lines are called columns in matrices. This row is a singular, this column is a singular. When we write here S, this is plural. When we write here S, this is plural. Components of a matrix means the numbers, letters, names or any objects inside the brackets. For example, in this matrix A, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are inside the bracket, and so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are components of this matrix A. And in this matrix A, B, C, D are components of this matrix P, and in this matrix C, Ram and Shyam are components of this matrix C. In place of these components, we can also use the term like elements and members. These members, elements and components of a matrix means same thing. We can denote elements of a matrix by this way. Here this A11 represents this first represent row and this second represent column. This is subscript. The number written below the letters are called subscript, and numbers written like above the letters are called superscript. Here this A11 represent the elements of first row and first column, means first row is this and first column is this. So the element of first row and first column is A, and this represents elements of first row and second column. In this first row and second column the elements is B only, and first row and third column is C. Similarly, in second row and first column is D, in second row and second column is E, and second row third column is F. In third row first column is, this is third row, and first column is G. This is third row second column H, and third row third column, this is third row and third column, so this is I. In this way we can denote elements of a matrix by letters like this with their position. Order of matrix means the number of rows and columns. It is written in this form like 1 by 1. In this matrix there is one row and one column, so the order of matrix is 1 by 1. In this matrix there are one row and two column, so the order of matrix is 1 by 2. We read this as 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 like this. The first number always represent the number of rows in matrix, and this second number always represent the number of columns in the matrix. In this matrix there are one row and three columns, so the order of matrix is 1 by 3. 1 represents row and 3 represent columns. Similarly, in this matrix there are 2 rows and 1 column. So order of matrix is 2 by 1. Here 2 row and 2 column. So order of matrix is 2 by 2. Here 3 rows and 2 columns. So order of matrix is 2 by 3. Similarly, this matrix is of order 3 by 1. This is of order 3 by 2 and this is of order 3 by 3. There are many types of matrices. Among them we are going to study 6 types of matrices in this class 6. At first we are going to study about row matrix. It is a matrix having only one row. Row means this from east to west line. Here is one row, here is also one row, and here is also one row. Here is one row and one column, here is one row and two column, and here is one row and three columns. Order of this matrix is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. And this column matrix is just opposite of row matrix. In this column matrix it has only one column, like this, one column. Here is also one column, here is also one column. The order of this matrix is 1 by 1. This is 2 by 1. This is 3 by 1. 3 row, 1 column, 2 row and 1 column, and 1 row and 1 column. This 0 or null matrix means a matrix having all elements 0, like this. Here all elements are 0. In this matrix also all elements are 0, and in this matrix also all elements are 0. Square matrix means a matrix having equal numbers of rows and columns. For example, here number of row and column is 1 1, here number of row and column is 2 2, and here number of row and column is 3 3. And rectangular matrix means a matrix having different number of rows and columns. For example, here number of row is 1 but number of column is 2, and order of this is 1 by 2, and here number of rows is 2 and number of column is 3. Here number of row is 3 and number of column is 2. These are the orders of matrix, square matrix: 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, equal number of rows and columns, but here unequal number or different number of rows and columns. Here 1 row, 2 columns, 2 row, 3 columns. Here 3 rows, 2 columns. And equal matrices means two matrices having their corresponding elements equals, means this should be equals to this, this should be equals to this, and other elements are also equal. Two matrices can be added or subtracted only when their order are equal. Here order of this matrix is 1 by 2, order of this matrix is 2 by 1. So this is not equal, so A plus B or A minus B cannot be found out. This we cannot find out. Here order of matrix is 1 by 2, and here order of matrix is 1 by 2. So these two matrices can be added or subtracted because their order are same. And here order of matrix is 2 by 2, and here also order of matrix is 2 by 2. 2 row and 2 column, here also 2 row and 2 column. And we can add or subtract the matrices by adding or subtracting corresponding elements of their matrices. For example, in this C plus D, we can find C plus D is 1 2 plus 3 4. Then we can find this is 1 plus 3 corresponding elements we have to add, then 2 plus 4. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 2 plus 4 is 6. This is the matrix that we have obtained after the adding matrix C and D. Similarly, by adding matrix E and F, we can get matrices like this: 1 plus 10, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 9, 4 plus 6, and this is equals to 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is the matrix that we have obtained after adding matrix E and F. Similarly, we can subtract also by writing a minus sign, then this all will be minus, then we have found E minus F is 1 minus 10 is minus 9, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 9 is minus 6, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Like this we can find subtraction of E and F also. E minus F and F minus E also we can find. F minus E is, at first we have to write F matrix 10, 2, 9, 6, minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can find this is 10 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. This is 10 minus 1 is 9, 2 minus 2 0, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 4 2. From these two we have seen that F minus E is not equals to E minus F. These two are not same.